Today's top news headlines. The Union Minister of State for Education, Dr. Subhash Sarkar, visits Churachandpur, the sites of a review meeting with district-level officers on various schemes. Chopper-carrying group of pilgrims from Guptakasi to Kedarnath in Uttarakhand crashes. All 7 abroad died. And India records 1,542 fresh COVID cases along with 8 fatalities in past 24 hours. Good evening, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. I'm LAKSMIBAI THANGJAM. Now the news in details. Union Minister of State for Education Dr. Subhash Sarkar visited Churachandpur and presided over a review meeting with district-level officers on various schemes in the DC Conference Hall of the Mini Secretariat in Tuibong. The meeting was attended by Additional Deputy Commissioner S. Tianlal Joy Gangte, ADC Development, S. Kaikopao Ngaite, Josang Lur Jote, AC to DC. Officials from the district, medical, PHED, education, social welfare, bank and DRDA delivered a power presentation about their project and program. The Union Minister inspected Churachandpur Medical College after offering suggestions on how to strengthen the government program. ECHO India, a non-profit organization revolutionizing healthcare access and healthcare education across the country, parented with National Health Mission NHM Manipur to organize 2-day immersion training for the senior health officials of the state. The training was aimed at apprising the state health officials about ways to effectively implement ECHO Hub and Spoke model of capacity building to further strengthen the state health system. The immersion training was inaugurated by the Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh and also attended by State Mission Director Dr. Somojit Ningombam, State Nodal Officer Dr. Y. Premchandra. Speaking at the event, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan said the Health and Family Welfare Department is constantly working toward its mission of ensuring equitability and accessibility healthcare to all, especially to the underserved population. The strengthening of our state healthcare system can be brought forward by empowering medical professionals, including doctor, nurse, and medical official, to upskill themselves and enhance their knowledge of recent development in treatment protocols and medical know-how. As our country to fight COVID-19 pandemic and its challenges, capacity building initiatives are now more important than ever, and owing to technology advancement, digital healthcare services are acting as enable, he added. According to MSF General Secretary Rojit THANGJAM, the previous identification card and letterhead of MSF will no longer be valid due to the new session of MSF 2022-2023 and the election of new office bearers. Instead, new letterhead, seal and receipt will be used from immediate effect. Speaking to the media at the press conference held today at the MSF office in Kwaketel, he added that this new session will improve the ongoing work done for the students and the general public. He said that as part of the Ekoi Lyric Ningtina Tamsi academic mission, the organization have provided many necessary items to those required schools, and that support would soon be given to coaching centers and schools that had established without meeting all requirements. Saying that MSF will steadfastly support any improvements, he urged the general public to cooperate with MSF in their upcoming new initiative.
Suba Federal Executive Council 2022-2023 Number 2 Office Bearers Khan Krabamatung Amadi Wasaklo Krabamatunda Daragamapan Suba Federal Executive Council 2022-2023 Nona Letterhead Chill Amadi Receipt Singbang Sidagi 2022-2023 Federal Executive Council the Prince Araganexo Lebamayam the Kananjari MSF na Lishan Sidna Satharak Liba Ekoi Lyric Ningtina Tamsi Haiba academic campaign Asigi Makata Habat Hato Oiraknaba MSF 19 Federal Executive Council Nagin Singani Luena Manipuri Gomena October Tarik Utama Toy Fabugi Manuga regionalization Togani Haibagi Hazaba Tankiba Aduna Pui Swataraba Amadi Awabakaya Mayon Riba Mahiroi Singasida Maduna Kayam Kanaba Amadi Kayana Safaba Piri Bage Amadi Piri Haibada Madusu Manipur Students Federation MSF na Yingsingani.
Tamelong Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR East is organizing a pre-recruitment training for male and female candidates to train them for upcoming recruitment rallies for Assam Rifles and Army. Its main aim is to empower the local youth to ensure enrollment from remote areas of Tamelong. The Rani Gaidinliu training camp will run from today till November 12th at Tamelong Unit Headquarters. With over 300 people registered, the event has received an incredible response. The training camp commenced with inspection of documents and medical checkup today. The eligible candidates shall further continue with the training. Candidates will be awarded a certificate of participation on successful completion of the training. 44 Assam Rifles Commandant launched the event today with a lot of enthusiasm and excitement, emphasizing the importance of young brains in society and how this training will help the youth in the future. He also discussed how education and physical training help to mold the morals, fidelity, and integrity of future generations. He also thanked the guardians of trainees for coming and praised the efforts of young people who traveled from far locations like THANGJAM, Tamai, and Nooks and crannies of the Tamelong district to participate in this training camp. Now let's take a short break. Keep watching.
Pony TV na makhal mathel gi thoram sing sanduk tuda miyam gi seba tawjari masida hena mai pak na bagi damma Pony TV ki YouTube channel amadi Facebook page ta like amadi subscribe tawbiro loina na MCTV ki channel number 988 amadi ISCOM gi channel number 142 da miyam na meeting tabiduna mapung faba channel ama ohenbiyu
hena mai pak channel ama oina bagi damma Pony TV ki contact number 9362511104 da contact tawbiro Makada pijariba contact number natraga email asida miyamna suggestion pibiraknaba hajari
miyamgi suggestion bu khauramna naijari
Welcome. After the break, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. A memorandum for the prolonged and aching demand on installation of permanent exhibition marketing complex of handloom, handicrafts and khadi products at New Chekong in Imphal East has been delivered to Prime Minister Narendra Modi through Government of India, stated in a press release issued by President of Handlooms Promotion Council Manipur, Jingtam Luang. The release further stated that 10 years ago, the state government have allotted 2.26 acres of land to the Department of Commerce and Industry for construction of a permanent marketing infrastructure. But unfortunately, till now, the state does not have a permanent marketing complex of handloom, handicrafts and khadi products. Therefore, a memorandum has been submitted and hope the Prime Minister would act to fulfill the demand at the earliest. All Manipur Football Association expresses its deep condolence to the sudden demise of Ningombam Biren Singh, former national football player of the Uripok Ningthau Khongzam Lekai at his residence on 12 October. All Manipur Football Association implores for the perpetual serenity of the departed soul and rest at his heavenly abode and share the sorrow and grief of the bereaved family. A chopper carrying a group of pilgrims from Guptakasi to Kedarnath in Uttarakhand crashed today. All 7 abroad have reportedly passed away, according to reports. Officials claim that the helicopter caught fire while on the way to the shrine near Jungle Chati. They said that medical teams had been sent to the area. A prop has been requested by Puskar Dhami, Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. The Kedarnath helicopter crash is very tragic. Aviation Minister Jyoti Ratia Scindia tweeted that they are in touch with the state government to determine the extent of the loss and are continuously monitoring the situation. The helicopter carrying pilgrims was flying from Kedarnath to the Fatah helipad. The State Disaster Response Force SRDF teams and local police were rushed to the accident site soon after the accident. The Bell 407 helicopter VT-RPN belonged to Aryan Aviation. The cause of the crash is yet to be ascertained. However, fog and poor visibility are said to have played a role as visuals from the crash site suggested bad weather conditions. The battalion of the 23 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Inspector General Assam Rifles East, along with the Excise and Narcotics Department, recovered a massive quantity of methamphetamine tablets worth over rupees 30.84 crore in the international market from an area of Falkland Vang in the Aizawl district, Mizoram. The Assam Rifles in a statement said that they seized a total of 92,550 tablets. The operation was carried out by the joint team based on specific information in which a mobile vehicle check post was launched yesterday. The team noticed the movement of a suspected vehicle at around 8 p.m. The vehicle was stopped and a thorough spot checking was carried out in which it was revealed that the individual was carrying a huge quantity of methamphetamine tablets. The first case of new Omicron subvariant VF7 has been found in India as detected by Gujarat Biotechnology Research Center. Unlike the dangerous and deadly Delta variant, the Omicron leads to milder cases of coronavirus infections and has almost started resembling other respiratory infections such as common cold or the flu. However, with every new variant and subvariants, COVID cases shoot up and the vulnerable continue to be at risk. Omicron's new subvariants BA.517 and BF7 is the newest strands of COVID-19 with greater transmissibility and first detected in northwest China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region. Also known as the Omicron spawn, this new variant is fast spreading and has even infiltrated the walls of several other countries including the United States, UK, Australia and Belgium. Many health experts have warned against negligence and have said that the variants BF7 and BA.517 are reportedly behind the recent surge in COVID-19 cases in China. Ahead of the festivals, experts advise taking caution and being vigilant as in India are likely to celebrate the festive season in full fervor and great enthusiasm. And as this could lead to a possible surge in the number of COVID cases, experts recommend wearing masks, maintaining social distance where needed and isolating in case of symptoms. India recorded a total of 1,542 fresh COVID cases along with 8 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,46,32,430. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 1,919 have been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,28,913. Out of the 8 fatalities, 5 were from Kerala, 1 each from Gujarat, Odisha and West Bengal. Taking the daily positivity rate at 0.68%, the total active cases has declined to 26,443 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.76% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 219.37 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines again. Union Minister of State for Education Dr. Subhash Sarkar visits Churachandpur, presides over a review meeting with district-level officers on various schemes. Chopper-carrying group of pilgrims from Guptakasi to Kedarnath in Uttarakhand crashes, all 7 abroad died. And India records 1,542 fresh COVID cases along with 8 fatalities in past 24 hours. Thank you for watching Pony TV. For more updates, keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned.